Class 7 NCERT Chapter 11 Question 9. Why is blood needed by all parts of a body? The answer is blood is a significant blood is a significant part of transport system of transport system in our body and we need blood for the following reason. The first reason is for the transport of oxygen to all parts of the body. The second point is to expel out carbon dioxide, expel out carbon dioxide from our body. The third point is to transmit heat, thus helping in the regulation of body temperature. The fourth is it is required to fight out injections and disease.